Guess who? You miss me? Jessica Simpson, sing the chorus.
When you walked through the door, it was clear to me. You're the one they adore, who they came to see. You're a rock star,
Baby.
Everybody wants you. Yeah, who can really blame you? We're the ones who made you.
Back by popular demand. Now pop a little Zen, tap for antacid if you can. You're ready to tackle any task that is at hand. How does it feel? Is it fantastic? Is it grand? Well, look at all the massive masses in the stands. Shady man, no, don't massacre the fans. Damn, I think Kim Kardashian's a man. She stopped him just cause he asked to put his hands on a massive Gluteus Maximus again. Squeeze it in, switch it and pass it to a friend. Can he come back as nasty as he can? Yes, he can, don't ask me this again. He does not mean the lesbian offend. But Lindsay, please come back to seeing men. Samantha's a 2, you're practically a 10. I know you want me, girl, in fact, I see you grin. Now come in, girl.
Through the door, it was clear to me. You're the one they adore, who they came to see. You're a rock star, everybody wants you. Yeah, who can really blame you? We're the ones who made you.
The enforcer, looking for more women to torture. Welcome to the cutest girl and Charlie Horser. Sorry, Portia, but what's Ellen DeGeneres? I go. Are you telling me tenderness? Well, I can be as gentle and as smooth as a gentleman. Give me my Ventolin inhaler and 2 Xenadrin, and I'll invite Sarah Palin out to dinner then. Nail her, baby, say hello to my little friend. Brit, forget tape and let's cut out the middleman. Forget him or you're gonna end up in the hospital again. And this time it won't be for the Ritalin binge. Forget them other men, girl, pay the little attention. A little did I mention that Jennifer's in love with me, John Mayer, so sit on the bench. Man, I swear them other guys, you give them an inch. They take a mile, they got style, but it isn't slim.
When you walked through the door, it was clear to me. You're the one they adore, who they came to see. You're a rock star, everybody wants you. Yeah, who can really blame you? We're the ones who made you.
And that's why, my love, you'll never live without. I know you want me, girl, cause I can see you checking me out. And baby, you know you want me to. Don't try to deny it, baby, I'm the only one for you. Damn girl, I'm beginning to sprout an alfalfa. Why should I wash my filthy mouth out? You think that's bad? You should hear the rest of my album. Never has there been such finesse and nostalgia. Man cast, I don't mean to mess with your gal, but Jessica Alba put a breast on my mouth, bro. Wowzers, I just made a mess of my trousers. And they wonder why I keep dressing like Elvis. Lord help us, he's back in his pink out shirt, looking like someone shrinked his outfit. I think he's about to flip. Jessica, rest assured, Superman's here to rescue ya. Can you blame me? You're my Amy, I'm your Blake. Matter of fact, bake me a birthday cake with a saw blade in it to make my jailbreak. Baby, I think you just met your soulmate. Now break it down, girl.
Through the door, it was clear to me. You're the one they adore, who they came to see. You're a rock star, everybody wants you. Yeah, who can really blame you? We're the ones who made you.
So baby, get down, 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 baby, get down, 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 baby, get down, 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 baby, get down, baby, get down, 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 baby, get down, 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 baby, get down, 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 baby, get down.